Namaskar. Myself Amruta Digambar Patil, working as assistant professor in Dr. D.Y. Patil Prathisthan's College of Engineering, Salokhe Nagar, Kolhapur. Today I am going to tell you about implementation of PDCA, that means Plan, Do, Check, Act for better water management with the help of water saving technology. My first video was about controlling of air pollution by various control devices, also principal working of air pollution control devices. The week 1 video is about controlling of air pollution, and this video, week 2 video, is about controlling of water pollution or water management with the case study of Kolhapur flood 2019. This video is overall about PDCA, Plan, Do, Check, Act applied to rainwater harvesting system. We all know that in year 2019 we observed series of floods that over almost in the month of July and August, almost 13 states in 2019 due to heavy rainfall. It was heaviest monsoon in last 25 years, from which Maharashtra has huge and heavy rainfall in 2019. Affected districts were Kolhapur, Sangli, Satara, etc. We all are badly familiar with this picture. What is basically flood? It is overflow of water due to huge tremendous rainfall, and drastic changes are made with man and material with their life cycle, habitat. So to avoid such flood conditions, there are some few steps by which we all can minimize flood condition from water harvesting with PDCA cycle. Plan, Do, Check, Act required for continuous improvement of any system. This picture is about rainwater harvesting system. From the rooftop, rainwater collects into the pipes, horizontal pipes. The discharging of water takes place through vertical pipes into the water tank for the storage purpose, and that water can be reused again in the non-rainfall conditions. The water management is most important step towards sustainable development, which is largest natural resource. Only 3% of fresh water, out of which 1/3 is accessible for use in agricultural field and for domestic level. Water resource management activity of planning, doing, checking and managing use of water resources also required for sustainable management, sustainable development. The planning of rainwater harvesting system in the kind of design of rainwater harvesting, how much water storage capacity is there, planning for collection surface as well as estimation of indoor and outdoor water demand. Do avoid flood of roads, then it meets the demands of increasing water and reducing groundwater contamination. Checking in terms of whether any leakages or any joints are there, leakage property which causes loss of that water. Act, it plays vital role in reducing water bills, increases groundwater recharge and also helps to improve plant growth. Thus, rainwater harvesting is most economical method for sustainable development, which based on collect, store and reuse of water to avoid flood disaster. Thank you.